pinakamabilis lumaking tenant market ngayon ay at ang hanap nila hindi traditional apartment. Ang tawag dito ay akala ng karamihan, apartments pa rin ang future ng rental business. Pero alam mo ba na ang pinakamabilis lumaking tenant market ngayon ay young professionals? At ang hanap nila, hindi traditional apartment. Ang tawag dito ay co-living. May sarili kang private room, pero may shared premium spaces tulad ng kitchen, lounge, co-working area, rooftop, at minsan may gym pa. Hindi ito dormitory, it's a community lifestyle. Kaya nga maraming young professionals ang willing magbayad ng mas mataas dahil hindi lang sila nagre-renta ng kwarto. Nagbabayad sila para sa convenience, connection, at experience. Mas lalo itong nagiging profitable kapag pinagsama mo sa mixed-use development. Imagine this, ground floor may coffee shop, convenience store, laundromat, o co-working space. Ito ang nagsisilbi sa residents at pati na rin sa surrounding community. Then sa upper floors, nandyan ang co-living rooms. At sa rooftop, pwedeng sky lounge, event area, or community garden. So may income ka from the commercial spaces at may recurring rental income ka from the co-living units. Dalawang income streams sa isang property. Pero ito ang madalas nakakalimutan ng marami. Hindi sapat na maglagay ka lang ng mga kwarto. Ang co-living should be designed to create community. Magandang common areas, comfortable lounges, shared kitchens, acoustic privacy sa mga rooms. Because every design decision can either bring people together or drive them away. Kaya kung meron kang property at gusto mo gawing income-generating asset, baka co-living opportunity na ang hinahanap mo. This is Architect Risa, and help property owners turn their empty lots into an earning land.